afternoon, everyone. Okay, so my name is Mr. Ardi, or you can just call me Ardi if you want. Okay. Today we are going to learn lesson 3. It's a new lesson about how are you smart. And I want to ask first, have you done the flip material that I sent last night?
Yes.
Yes. Please can you raise your hand for those who have done the flip? And the rest you haven't. Okay. Thank you for those who have done the flip material, and for those who haven't, I think you can do it now. Okay, I think you can do it now. I'll give you time like 5 minutes to do the flip material, and then let's continue. What do you remember about this picture? What do you remember about this picture? Is it clear, the picture?
Yes.
What do you remember about this picture?
It's about our intelligence.
Yes, it's about multiple intelligence. How many multiple intelligence are there?
8.
8. Okay. There are 8. Can you name it? The multiple intelligence?
Teachers now.
Actually, this one. Can you use it?
Oh, start with
Yes.
music smart.
Yes, musical.
Musical.
And then
Kinesthetic.
kinesthetic.
And interpersonal.
Interpersonal.
Linguistic.
Linguistic. And then
Mathematical.
sorry.
Mathematical.
Mathematical. Mathematical. And then
Naturalistic.
naturalistic. Naturalistic.
Interpersonal.
Intrapersonal. And the last one is visual. Okay. And visual. Okay. So there are 8 of multiple intelligences. Now, I want to ask something about regarding these intelligences. If I have the ability to do sports, yeah, to football, running, volleyball, and something, which intelligence do you think I belong to? Kinesthetic, yes, good answer. And if I have the ability to recognize myself, control the emotion, self-awareness, which intelligence do you think I belong to? Intrapersonal. So what's the difference between interpersonal and intrapersonal? Do you know the difference between intra and inter?
I think the interpersonal is for the others, like when we talk, when we
Mingle, have a relationship with other people.
conversation with other people, and for the intrapersonal, it's about ourselves.
Okay, good. So yeah, correct. So interpersonal is more like to have self-awareness. Meanwhile, the interpersonal is having a good relationship with other people. Okay. So can you name one skill that people with linguistic intelligence might have? Linguistic intelligence. Sorry.
Profesi.
The skills, the ability. It is like what is it? Speaking. Yeah, it's like speaking. Someone who have a good ability to do speech, and then someone who can convey what they think to other people. Okay. What people with mathematical intelligence the skills the people with mathematical intelligence might have. What the skills? Mathematical intelligence, yes. What might they have? What are the skills?
Maybe understanding about science.
Science, yes. Science, the math, the physics, and the what is it? Chemical. So, what about the picture, the visual one? Can you name one skill that people with visual intelligence might have? What they are good? What are they good at? What are they good at? Can they do like drawing, photography? What other might they have?
Like data analyst who can interpret the graphic.
Yes, to interpret the graphic. Yes. Oh, yeah. That's a good answer. Okay. So, which one are you? Are you which one? Which intelligence do you belong to? Are you musical, kinesthetic, interpersonal, linguistic,
Musical.
musical? So, do you have more than one intelligences? Yes. Can you name it?
The first one is musical,
Musical,
and then visual,
visual,
and
kinesthetic.
no, linguistic.
Linguistic. I see. And what about the others? What intelligence do you have?
Interpersonal and intrapersonal.
Interpersonal and intrapersonal.
Yeah.
The other? The other? Any of you have the mathematical intelligence? Good at counting? Good at reading, what is it? The graphic? Something like that? Okay. Oh, you have mathematical intelligence. Besides the mathematical, what else do you have?
Visual and musical.
Visual and musical. Okay. 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 Thank you for the answer, guys. Okay. Now for the next activity, I want you to repeat after me. I will pronounce these words first, and then you will repeat the pronunciation after me. Okay. So we'll start from the musical. Musical. Repeat after me. Musical.
Musical,
Kinesthetic.
kinesthetic,
Interpersonal.
interpersonal,
Linguistic.
linguistic,
Mathematical.
mathematical,
Naturalistic.
naturalistic,
Intrapersonal.
intrapersonal,
Visual.
visual.
Okay, thank you. And okay, we go to the next activity. Now it's called the intelligence matchup. Now I want you to work in pairs. You can decide your own pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's odd number. There are 11 of you. Okay, work in pairs. You can choose your own partner. You may choose now your partner. Who do you want to work with? You can choose your own partner. Who do you want to work with? Work in pairs, okay? And then you can decide your own partner, and then get a worksheet for me here. And what you have to do is to match this intelligence with their definitions. Match the intelligence with their definition. And then you have to stick the intelligence based on the definition here. And I will give you this glue tag. Do you understand what you are going to do?
Yes.
Maybe I'll repeat because there are some people who didn't get it. Work in pairs, okay? Find a partner, you can choose your own partner, and then get a worksheet for me. You have to match the definitions the skill and intelligence with the definitions, and then stick the definition as stick the intelligence with the definition. I will give you the new tag. Got it? Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Have you be with your partner? 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 13.
How many members in one group?
2 pairs.
Pairs.
Pairs. In pairs. Work in pairs. Meanwhile, I will give you this. Where are you going? Are you going to be with a tree? Okay, it's okay. Okay then. Okay. I give you 3 minutes to do. Is it enough? 3 minutes? The second. Are you going? Okay. You can use it.
First, be aware of his emotional states, feelings, and emotions. Is it intra or inter?
Intra.
Intra.
Two minutes left. Let's wait for the other group. Please use English. Let's use English.
Inter is about other people. Intra is about ourselves.
One minute. Finish? One more group. Finish? Okay. Let's discuss it together. For the number 1, understanding and using spoken and written languages, which intelligent is it? Linguistic, yes. And for number 2, visualizing things and interpreting pictures, graphs, and charts. Visual, yes. Number 3, thinking in patterns, rhythms, sounds, and composing properly music. Musical. For being aware of his or her own emotional states, feelings, and motivations.
Intrapersonal.
Intrapersonal, yes. Number 5, controlling the body and handling objects.
Kinesthetic.
Kinesthetics. Reasoning, recognizing patterns, and logically analyzing problems. Logical, mathematical. Yes. Recognizing and classifying flora and fauna. Naturalistic. Number 8, understanding and interacting with other people.
Interpersonal.
Interpersonal. Okay, it seems that you have understood the definition of multiple intelligence and you don't really get confused with the difference between intra and interpersonal. So you have recognized the definition as well. Okay. The next activity is mentioning about pictures. Okay. Here I have a worksheet picture. Work in pairs. You can still be with your own, your previous pairs, and then get a worksheet from me here. What you need to do is decide the answer of the picture, which picture this is belong to intelligence, which intelligence this picture is belong to. Okay, and then write the intelligence here. Okay, do you understand? Any pairs? So this is the picture number 1. There's a 2. This that one. I've numbered the pictures. Yes.
Thank you.
Okay. 3 minutes. Naturalistic.
Visualizing things and interpreting culture.
They have let me to draw some numbers. Finish? Yes. Okay. Okay. Let's answer together. For what number? For number 1, what intelligence do you think the picture number 1? Physical, yes. And for number 2, picture number 2? Logical, mathematical. Number 3? Kinesthetic. Number 4? Intrapersonal. Number 5? Naturalistic. Number 6? Linguistic. And number 7? Intrapersonal. And number 8? Visual intelligence. Yes. Okay. Now, for the next activity, it is called inner outer. Yeah. Make 2 groups. Yeah, make 2 groups. And get a card from me. This consists of questions. Yeah. Listen to the audio, and then for those who will get the A letter, will make a small circle facing out, and then for those who got letter B, will make a bigger circle facing in. So you will face to face, you will stand face to face with your friends, and then taking turn in asking questions. Student A will ask first, and then student B will answer, and then student B will ask question to the student A, and then student A need to answer. After you finish asking questions, you need to exchange your card. So A will get B's question, and B will get A's question. Okay, and then after that, student B will move to the right when I clap. When I clap my hand, student B will move to the right, and then you will repeat the activity. Okay, now you imagine one. Yes, may open.
I love you too.
Okay, you may open your cards. You may open your cards. Who got A? Who got A? And then who got B? B? Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. 13. Okay. Now get a card. Pick a card. Any cards. You may read the question first, and then make sure that you read your question first, and then listen to the audio. So the questions will relate to the audio, the answer. Listen.
Unit 3. Multiple Intelligences. Lesson 3A. How are you smart? Listening. Activity 3. Listen to a conversation. Circle 2 of the pictures that represent the intelligences mentioned. Situation. Miss Gray, the school guidance counselor, and Anna are in the schoolyard.
Hi Anna, you look so confused. Is something bothering you?
Yes, Miss Gray. I'm in two minds about the major I want to take when I go to college later. Music or medicine. I've set my mind on music, while my mom wants me to follow in her footsteps as a surgeon.
I can understand your situation. Actually, you have what it takes to be both a surgeon and a great singer. I can tell you have both logical mathematical intelligence and musical intelligence.
What do you mean by those intelligences?
As far as I know, you're good at science and math. It's shown in your straight A scores on those subjects, and in your great enthusiasm for doing experiments when you are in the science lab. And a couple of facts have shown that you're a music smart person. First, you often represent our school at singing contests and have often won. Second, I know that you're a YouTuber with hundreds of thousands of viewers who like your cover versions.
Do you think I should take both majors?
That's one possibility. Another alternative is choose only one. Even though your major is medicine, you can always sharpen your singing skills by learning from a voice instructor. But of course, it's your call. You should think it over and have a heart-to-heart talk with your mom.
Yeah, I guess so. Thank you so much for your advice, Miss Gray.
You're most welcome. I'm sure you can make it.
Okay. Before we do the activity, who are the speakers in the audio? The names. Anna and Miss Gray. What happened to Anna? What makes her confused?
Confused about what
Choosing her
Major for her college. For her college. Okay. So according to Miss Gray, what Anna good at? Musical and math, science. Yeah. Okay. So what makes Anna confused in choosing her major? What makes her confused? Her mom?
Her mom's
Want her?
wants Anna to be a
Surgeon.
surgeon.
To follow her mother's footsteps as a surgeon. Yes. Okay. What is Anna want to take for her major? Her passion. Hey, yes, musical. So, what do you think after Anna hears the suggestions from Miss Gray? What will she do after she hear the suggestion from Miss Gray?
Discuss with her mom.
Discuss with her mom. Yes, good job. Now, please stand up. So for those who got A letter, make a small circle. And for those who get B letter, face and make bigger circle. Small circle A, facing out. Facing out, yes. Small circle. Facing out. So facing what? So facing out like this.
Or
Yes. Nah, something like this. Facing out. Facing out menghadap keluar. Yes. So for the student B, facing in. So who got student B? Who is student B? Okay. They are children of B. So you will be here. Okay. Let's continue. Student A will ask first. You can ask. Student A will ask first. Student B, and then student B answer the questions. Student B will asking student A with the question in their card. So student A asks first. Student B answer. Student B asks question. Student I answer. To take both majors or she should follow according to Miss Gray, what are Anna's strengths in science?
what does Anna do in the
Exchange card. After you finish, exchange your card with your partner, and then when I clap, for student B, we'll move to the right. Okay, student B. Student B move to the right. So I will move.
Ini lu kesini, nanti lu ditanya dia. Aku kan udah dapat pertanyaan
What is Miss Gray suggest?
What is Anna confused music and surgeon.
And for me, it's according to the way, but
First. Assumption. What we are gonna do after
What score does
Still,
she wants to take music.
According to me,
Or intelligence and
What does Anna's mother What does Anna's mother Sir, where one is conversation, competition is next of the joint.
Okay.
what subject?
What we gonna do after the secret selection from the script?
What grade is Anna's What grade is Okay. If you finish, you may sit down. Thank you for the. Okay. So what makes Anna confused? What makes Anna confused? Choosing major, yes. Who is Miss Gray? Do you think? Who is Miss Gray?
Choose.
Our school counselor, our teacher, yes, school counselor, our teacher. Which intelligence Anna belongs to? Anna's belong to? Which intelligence? Logical, mathematical, and musical. Okay. And where do you think the conversation takes place? Schoolyard. Okay, schoolyard. Okay. So you have understand conversation well. And then next activity again is called the gallery walk. I have put some questions on the wall. Yes. Put some questions on the wall. Okay. So you need to work in pairs. Okay. Get a worksheet from me. This is the worksheet. Okay. And then answer of the question one by one. So there are 7 questions. You need to answer it, all of them, one by one. Each question shouldn't be more than 1 pair. So each question only fit for 1 pair. Yeah, each question should be fit only for 1 pair. Okay. Later on, you will move around to answer all of the question. but you cannot fit one question with two pairs. Only one question, one pairs. But you will move around the questions. And then, if when you want to answer, answer it first or say the answer first before you write down your question. And you only write the point of the answer. For example, the question is like, do you think Anna should take one major or two? Why? You will answer it first. Like you want to say it first. I think Anna should take two major because she is a smart person. So you will answer because she is smart person. So she should take two major. Okay. And then after you finish in one question, find another question and then answer it until the questions are answered. Okay. I think you will work with different partner. So this card consists of numbers. So for those who got the same number, will be in pairs. So for those who got the same number, will be in pairs. Okay? Who got number one? Who got number one? Number one? Okay, who got number two? So you're going to be with me. Number three? Okay, number four? Number 5, number 6, number 7. Okay. You may stand up and find the question. So there are 3 more questions outside the class actually. Outside the class. Yes, also the class. So I'll give you the position. This is the question. This question here. And then there. And then there. You may stand up and answer the question. Say it first. What is the question? So, that is the number. I forgot.
Oh. Okay. So, what we put in it? The answer.
That's it.
Okay.
The answer. Wait for the other one. Can you hear?
Good advice.
One question only. Let's move to inside.
Ini nih. The question is
It's different, I guess.
Ini kelas sama.
decision. Will you
Mister,
keputusan?
1, 2, 3.
Are you going to take one major, two majors, or are you going to choose the musical or follow your mother's footsteps? As a sort of-
Oh iya, musical because I interest in singing.
Okay, musical.
Double major. Lanjutin ibunya atau take musiknya? If she takes it. Tadi capek. Do you think Miss Grace gave good advice? Why? Or why not? Discuss it with your mother. Iya, sama. Oh, beda pertanyaan tahu? Beda pertanyaan tapi di depan. Oh, gitu. Jadi kan according to you.
Ini public review kalau itu based on ini kayak based on text.
Beda. What do you do this?
I don't know. Kayak
This is one.
it's up to you. Just
Enggak usah di. Jadi 1, 2, 3 sampai 4. Ya because this is number.
this equation
Itu di situ
like
kan
out here.
angkanya.
I think it's quite different. It's quite
Right. The question is
there. Do you think, according to you, it's quite the same?
Mister,
It's quite the same.
how about the part number?
I just forget it for the count number under. I forgot to place the number. And this is okay.
Okay, it's okay. Okay. Part number is not a big deal.
Finish. If you finish, you may sit down. You may sit down. Okay. Okay. Let's answer the questions together. Here is the question. Do you think Miss Gray gives good advice?
Yes.
Why?
Because they give
Because she suggests that
Anna to discuss again
with her mother, yes. That's good. If you were Miss Gray, what would you say to Anna? Choose her passion rather than following her mother's footsteps. If you were Anna, what decision would you make? What are you going to choose for your major? The musical or the surgeon? You will choose your own passion. According to you, should Anna take one major or two?
One.
One major, why?
Itu time management.
So time management becomes difficult. I think that someone will answer two. Is there anyone thinks answer of two? Yeah. Why do you think Anna should take two majors at the same time? I don't know if you answer two. Okay. So, what would be the consequences if Anna follows her mother's advice rather than her own passion?
She will not satisfied.
She will not satisfied and she won't be unconfident and yes. Why do you think Anna is confused about choosing between music and medicine or surgeon?
Because she was music with her mom was certificate surgeon.
Good answer. Okay, so for the last question, it's quite the same with this one.
Yeah.
Okay. And for the next activity, you're going to do a debate. Yeah, a debate. It's more like sharing questions, sharing opinions. Okay. So I want you to work in group of 7 or 6 or 7. They are because there's odd number of you. So there will be 6 and one group will be 7. Okay. And then discuss the topic for me. Discuss the topic for 5 minutes. Okay. And then each group send one representative to present their argument. And then repeat until all the members got their turn. And for those who get turn in presenting the opinion, you will get 1 minute to present your opinion. You can choose your own groups actually, group of 6 and group of 7. Divide the group. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So this group will be right here. Okay. 6. 1, 2, 3. Will be here. Will be one group, yeah. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 7 will be here. Because there's an odd number, okay? There's odd number. Okay, so this is for the topic. Okay, so will be the topic for the debate. Schools should more focus on academic intelligence rather than other type of intelligence. Will be so there will be a pro on this argument, and there will be contra. So who will be representative of the group number 6? 1, 2, 3. So this will be the 6. Okay. So you can sit with your group. Okay. Choose your representative and do the paper scissors rock paper scissors
For what?
to choose your pro either or con. So the group number 7, 1, 2, 3, 7, 1. Choose your representative to do the rock paper scissors.
So,
And then for those who win, you will choose either you want to be pro or contra. Choose your representative. So you will do rock paper scissors the first before deciding who will. Okay. Who wants to representative? Choose one representative. Okay, who wants to do the rock paper scissors? This one.
Wangi. Parfum dulu, parfum.
Wants to? Okay, who wants to? You will be the representative. So who wants to be?
She has a good hand.
Secret. Okay, come on. Who wants to be? One pointing each other. Come on, guys. Rock paper scissors. With him. You will rock paper scissors with him.
Aira taruhannya nyawa ya. Iya.
Rock paper scissors.
Oke, 1, 2, 3.
So for those who win, which side do you side? Which side do you choose? Contra or pro? Contra or pro? Contra. Group number 7, group of 7 will be contra, and group of 6 will be pro. On this,
It's okay. Coba minta point of view-nya mungkin sekali.
discuss the topic for 5 minutes first before doing the debate. Discuss in English, please. You can sit.
Hey, come here. Come here. Jangan gitu. Aku udah.
Please take the chair. Take chair, guys. It's okay. We will stand up for it. He will stand.
Sekarang kita di lapangan satu. Karena kita pro. We are
So you all agree with the opinion? Yes. You have to agree with the opinions.
more focus on academic knowledge rather than our members. Yeah,
increase the accreditation school like A, B.
But what school can recommend? I think kinesthetic is English academic intelligence. I cannot.
Academic is like
I have no idea. Linguistic. Hi. Welcome to today's Leo vlog. So in school we can focus on academic intelligence and to improve we can take English course or maybe join some community with the same hobby or some intervention.
We need more opinion.
Because in Indonesia, our school is only focused on academic intelligence, not academics. That's not all. Yeah, that's not all. Yeah,
Some of.
Yes,
some of
really.
So each of you will speak for 1 minute. Each of you.
Emang kalau dari apa sih maksudnya? Kan ya udah.
Two minutes.
Mungkin melahirkan yang lebih ke Yes, yes.
Guys, what do you think? Karena your school is focused on intelligent.
Yeah, I am employed. You are in school. But I can speak English.
Maybe if the school
You can
focus
on
on
my grammar is
academic, they still can support if if students
So many people not good
academic intelligence and academic intelligence.
Not all students.
Not all students still provide lah.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Not all students. Ya Allah. So school, apa sih?
Children more focus on academic intelligence. Not all students good at academic intelligence. Many students have
so much potential
and other type of yes.
Oh my god.
Okay, finish. Finish. Now, group role will state first their argument, and then group contra will argue on the opinion of group A. So decide who wants to speak first. Decide who wants to speak first for the each group. Okay, so Pro will speak first. Pro will speak first.
Time is yours. Center.
Okay, Pro, you may start.
Ya, wait guys di tengah. Banyak aku yang begini ya. Ya.
Okay.
Okay, we are from Team Pro and we choose to pro of the sentence because many of months of school out there only focus on academic intelligence because if you want to build or improve your other intelligence, you can join a course or maybe you can join community with same hobby or same type intelligence of your own.
Is that all?
Yeah.
Okay. Now the argument from the group contra. Okay, decide who wants to speak first from the group contra. It's okay. It's okay. You speak. It's okay.
Only one person.
Okay. Now, speak.
But I think not all students good at academic intelligence.
Okay. Not all students good at intelligence.
Many other students is good.
One
at-
person
Okay.
speak time.
Many other students are good at other type of intelligence.
20 seconds. Okay, I gotta discuss.
So they can focus on other type of intelligence.
Is that all? Okay. So, argument from group A.
Which level?
Argument from group A.
Can you repeat?
What did you say?
You don't understand. Repeat.
I don't remember.
Okay, 1 minute.
Okay.
1 minute.
Gimana sih?
I get the point.
Change the person.
Change the person.
Change the person to
Oh, no.
speak. Yes. You have time.
Please.
Aisyah.
It will better if you speak
Kayak sekolah.
English.
Kayak
English.
school should focus. Can you?
Change the people. You know if you want to shut up.
How can I
Okay. 1 minute.
Okay. I'm from the pro side, and I want to interrupt the statement. I think school should more focus on academic intelligence, because if you want to continue your study, continue your career, you should go to the college. And when you want to study or go to the college, you should have a good you should have a good academic intelligence. And if the school if the school more focus on academic intelligence, it will make the school have a great or more great accreditation. Yeah.
That all? Okay. So, the argumentation from group contra. Okay. Now the contra.
So what I think is that there are so many universities that can accept people not only from their academic intelligence but also from other intelligence, like from linguistic, kinesthetic, and other type of intelligence.
That's it. So the focus in the school, yeah, not going to the college or something. So focus is on the school. The school more focus on the academic. The school. Yes, about school, not in the college or something.
Yeah. Oh.
Okay, who wants to pick for the pro? Okay.
We are team. School has a support the student, not for academic intelligence, but it can support. School can support like. provide their student through their actual support.
That's it? Okay. Can you repeat?
School can provide student like a school and supporting their student by their students to improve their other type of intelligence.
No. Repeat again.
School can provide the student by supporting with a supplement for another intelligence.
Wow.
That's contract.
There's a contrast.
Contra.
Because you're pro on the academic intelligence
Yeah.
in school,
There's a
not other type of intelligence.
Fokus. Jadi kalau mereka mau belajar, kan bisa.
Iya.
Itu.
That's
That's
contract.
Still the contrast.
Okay. Anyway, let's get the opinion from the contra one.
Sekolah tuh berbeda-beda kreatif
Kayak gitu. In this reality, the sentence is wrong because school have
What?
what every school in this world, in this country always have extracurricular.
But yes, the sentence should be you should more focus on the academic one. The academic one rather than other type of
That's not based on the true.
no.
Right? It's not based on the true.
Yes, but on the topic basis. Different topic actually.
Or not reality.
Do you want to give their answer? Okay.
You still need to learn Okay.
Do you want to give time for this control one or you want to speak? Okay. Now for the control one. Strengthen your opinion then. Okay. Oh. That's enough for the contra. For the contra.
In extracurricular, they don't just need academic intelligence, but also they need other type intelligence like linguistic and also the example is linguistic, like the example is English club, or Japanese club. You need to
Skills.
And also, musical that doesn't build academic intelligence.
Okay, argumentation from the pros.
For example, if you
Allah. Okay. Therefore, Team Pro has a statement that maybe non-academical intelligence not belong to every life skill that we need. Okay, but academic intelligence is belong to every life skill that we need. Even if the non-academical intelligence, we still need the basic of academic intelligence. Like, for example, if you were a musician, you will need academic intelligence for your basic to manage your salary. Oh.
10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, the contra group. Okay, for the contra. For the contra. We have branch to other type of intelligence. Okay, good contra. Okay, good contra. Okay, who wants to speak for the contra group? Change the person who speak. I think you already speak previously. Oh, sure. Oh, yeah, okay.
they still need basic skill to do the extracurricular.
That's their argument. You can help your friend.
I see.
Okay. One you want? What? Yeah. What English you want? Some other intelligence doesn't need academic intelligence. Some intelligence like start the academic one. Do not need the academic intelligence. Like you said this, example like football, futsal, etc.
Some of the extracurricular doesn't have intelligence, like sport extracurricular.
Oh, yeah,
Strategy.
Okay.
Okay, hello.
Okay guys, listen guys.
But in my opinion, several extracurricular doesn't need academic intelligence like sport extracurricular. They just need the basic skill. I like that.
Yes.
Okay, recommendation from the group pro.
But in physiology, academic intelligence is the main intelligence and it will be branched to other intelligence. For example, a racer need have good logic to think about the strategy of the circuit.
Can you repeat that?
Okay, begin.
Research, mengutip,
Quoted.
quotate. Ini kan
Okay. Argumentation from group contra. Okay. Group contra. Okay, group contra. Okay. For the contra group.
But the basic skill communicate skill don't need the book, but don't need to learn from book, but they just need to learn from their environment.
So do you mean like learning by practice?
Yes.
Learning by practice. I think one more person from the pro, yeah? Or two more person?
One.
One more person, okay.
Bismillah.
Itu deh pokoknya nggak bisa ngejelasin.
Okay. Who wants to speak?
Learn about communication.
It's talk about do not spread the topic because it talk about the school academic intelligence. Not, yeah. Again, the focus is the school academic intelligence, not talking about other type. Is it intrapersonal?
Yeah, intrapersonal, more intrapersonal. You have a good emotional control on them. So,
Yeah.
we can learn by myself.
By ourselves.
That's why it's school. Usually.
Okay, that's why it's going to
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Okay, so I'm Dina from Pro
Team Pro.
Okay. School has provide academical intelligence because of, for example, if we meet or other people, we can learn what emotional intelligence from ourselves. Yeah, from ourselves. So, they're basically the school have focus on academical intelligence. You get it?
Maybe your friend can help.
Yes, I think.
Maybe you can help your friend. That's it. And then for contra, so from contra group, one more person, yeah? Or two. One person. Okay, let's make it quick. Okay, for the contra group. Okay, for contra. Okay, contra group.
The emotional skill.
Yes.
Can grow by and
By the practice, by the environment, health environment. Come on, contra.
must be as
Good emotional intelligence, like no bullying.
Our emotional skill can grow by the which environment we are in. So the school must teach us about what a healthy emotional environment. So by like no bullying, like such that stuff.
Okay, so for one more person, for the last person, additional information, additional, what is it? Opinion, statement. Closing statement. Closing statement from the contra. Okay, let's make it quick. Okay. So,
The intelligence is
it's as important
It's as important
as
for students as academic intelligence.
intelligence. Okay. Okay, thank you guys for the debate. Okay, thank you for the day. Thank you for the opportunity today. Thank you for coming and see you next time.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Mr.
Mr.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you guys.